Hello. Of the individual, how has it been helping you?
Of course, I think you all agree that fingerprint analysis is a very good tool to all of us, and because that gives you the whole idea about the person. So it becomes very easy, like karke what type of person is this, whether the environment will get affected, or it has the person has to go towards inward side. Will it able to visualize proper or not, or does it require more of kinesthetic activities to be done? So what is it? How the person is? So when you know about it, it becomes very easier to use specific healing modalities. Then you don't have to get. Otherwise, if you say the person, sometimes when you do make them do visualization technique, the person might not be able to visualize also. मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा, they would say. So that's why when you know what the person is, what type the person is, so you accordingly use that modality so that the person gets benefit from it. So for some patient, we accordingly use some cases we'll use visualizing techniques. We'll use make them go into meditation and feel, see all that. For some, it will be really just not giving them any vision, but making them do activity immediately.
Then there is a diffusion technique. The name is diffusion. What happens when a person is not able to change their environment? Then I'll give you the example. We try to use that thought in a playful manner.
Able to make yourself clear that these fingerprints are telling something like this about your personality, it takes time. It takes pretty long time, and they get convinced by the end of the session. They get really convinced that the fingerprints are telling the truth, because somewhere the incidents which they go and connect to the past.
Being a old pattern, he wants to go by his own self. तो उनको हम लोग पहले EFT समझाने से पहले we have to give them some links about fear, what is happening, what is an emotion, how is it helping us. When he is ready to take up, because he's clear, okay, उनके अपनी सोच से ये